Question from Thomas Willis. Thomas asks, do you need to bump steer the car before setting ride height and choosing toe? So all of this stuff is a little bit iterative. The way I typically deal with it is I always set my go around doing my first run of settings. So I'll go around roughly set my ride height, set my caster, then I'll go and iterate between toe and camber and sort of go toe camber, toe camber, toe camber, because both of those things tend to affect each other while you're making those changes on the car. And then the last thing I usually do is set the bump steer. So once I've got my camber and toe and ride heights and everything set in the window, then I go through and set my bump steer, make any changes I need to, and then again, before I've got the car set up, if in case I've made any changes to the static toe settings, once I've set my bump steer, I go and reset my toe, which would usually be a pretty minor change back to its last static toe setting. So the bump steer is the last thing I do before I come back and do my final toe adjustment, but I've already sort of gone around and set my cambers and toes before I've done that. That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and you want to expand your knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about optimizing the performance and handling of your car on the racetrack, as well as improving your skills behind the wheel. Plus, you'll have the chance to ask your own questions, which we'll be answering live.